Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we shall be learning about Hamster Kombat wallet connection problem. So guys, when you're at your Hamster Kombat, the main issue is that if you're having trouble connecting your wallet, then maybe you're not having the wallet in your Android device. So guys, make sure you have the Tone application. This is a Tone wallet and it's the one which is linked to Hamster Kombat. So if you don't have it, just come to Google Play Store. And when you come to Google Play Store, come to search bar there and then search for Tone Keeper. When you search for Tone Keeper, tap on this one there, then install it. So after installing it successfully, head over back to your Hamster Kombat account and then come to airdrop section here, okay? And then you see connect your wallet. As you can see, some people have not yet got access to this connect wallet. Why? Because you need first complete some tasks, and tasks are over here in the earn section here. You have to join the Telegram group, follow them on X, then choose your exchange, then at least invite 3 people. As you can see, this is just a demo account of Hamster Kombat. So heading back to my real account of Hamster Kombat, just come here, then I choose another Telegram account. Okay, so come to search bar there, then head over back to your Hamster Kombat. Alright, so heading over to my Hamster Kombat, the real account of Hamster Kombat. Okay, so just click on play over there. So I'm going to show you on this real account whereby I have successfully connected my wallet, and this is because I have the Tone Keeper application in my account. Okay, so when I come to airdrop section here, as you can see, the wallet is connected and it shows the tick over here. So right guys, just click on connect wallet and then you'll be able to connect your Tone Keeper wallet application right away. So I won't be connecting mine for the second time, but that's it guys. Make sure you have the Tone Keeper wallet application. This is the official wallet guys. This is a wallet that is used for connecting Hamster Kombat, and it's one that you use to withdraw Hamster Kombat in case it goes live. Alright guys, so I hope you found value in this video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.